Today, Crunchy and Gobble are trying to build a rocket. They want to go to the moon. Can you help them build the rocket? Wow, the rocket turned out great. Do you know what comes next? It's time to wear the spacesuits. Great job! Crunchy and Gobble enter the rocket and buckle up. They are ready to go. Tap the buttons in the correct order. It's time to take off. 3, 2, 1, go! The rocket goes up, up, and above. The chomping monsters enjoy their rocket ride. Woohoo! Tap on all the stars. Nice work! The rocket has successfully landed on the moon. They realize that the moon's gravity is much less than the Earth's gravity. Why don't we learn more about space? Saturn. Earth. Moon. Asteroid. Star. Satellite. Awesome! Now, the chomping monsters want to plant their very own flag on the moon. Decorate the flag. Crunchy and Gobble successfully plant their flag on the moon. Hooray! Suddenly, Crunchy wakes up with a jolt. Oh, it was just a dream. Crunchy can't wait to really go to the moon someday.